What if your kitchen could serve up freshly purified, piping hot water the moment you turn on the tap? No waiting, no guessing, no boiling. Xiaomi just made that possible, and it's smarter than you think. Introducing the Xiaomi Mijia Instant Hot Water Purifier 1200G, a sleek, intelligent water purification system that transforms your sink into a high-tech hydration hub. It's designed to purify, heat, and dispense water instantly, all under your control. The system includes two powerful undersink units, one for filtration and another for instant heating. The filtration tank uses PPC and RO filters, capable of removing 99.9% of heavy metals and bacteria, ensuring your water is not just clean, but clinically pure. And with Xiaomi's high-end RO filter rated to last up to 5 years, this is long-term peace of mind with zero compromise. The futuristic smart faucet is more than just a dispenser. It features a magnetic control knob that lets you toggle between room temperature and hot water modes instantly. And yes, that water gets hot, up to 95 degrees Celsius, ready for coffee, tea, or cooking right out of the tap. At 1,000 milliliters per minute, the hot water flow is fast, filling a 150 milliliter cup in just 9 seconds. For room temperature water, it goes even faster, 3.18 liters per minute. That's hydration on demand, without the wait. The built-in LED display keeps you informed, showing the TDS value and current settings in real time. Need cooler water? Hotter? Just tap and turn. The faucet puts full control at your fingertips. With HyperOS Connect, everything is synced to the Xiaomi app. You can monitor water quality, adjust temperature and volume, and even switch modes, all from your phone. Smart, simple, and efficient. The Mijia Instant Hot Water Purifier 1200G is now available in China for CNY 3,999, or roughly 555 USD. While Xiaomi hasn't announced a global rollout just yet, similar devices have already made their way to Europe, so stay tuned. From pure filtration to precision heating, Xiaomi's newest water purifier isn't just a smart appliance, it's a smarter way to live. Clean water, instant heat, total control. The future of your kitchen just arrived. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our